Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing video of Andrew and Nicole. Today we're going to unbox a special device wherein to help you charge all your devices all at the same time. So we have here the Bavin 6 USB 3 power anti-static power socket. So as you can see in the picture, we have the 3 universal sockets, 6 USB port, 1 independent power switch, and at the back it comes with a 10 amps maximum rated current, a rated voltage of 250 volts, a rated power of 2500 watts. USB output can output a maximum of 3.4 amps. It automatically adjusts to your device whether to give more current or not. The output port has 3 socket combo and 6 USB. And the size is 162 by 97 by 38 millimeter. And the power cord is around 200 centimeter, around 2 meter in length. So upon closer inspection of the box, we can see here the different features of this product. So we have the 6 USB 3 universal socket. It has a 750 degrees high flame retardant resistant, an independent power switch, an overload protection, and a child safety protection door. Alright, so let us open this baby up. By the way, Bavin is a product made in China. So far it's the first time that we'll be using a product brand like this, so I hope it's good. So we have the box, and comes with the cover. So it says the model number is 6 USB or SC3604. If you want to buy one of those, check out this product code. So let's open what's inside. Alright, so here you go. So as we have mentioned, this is a 6 USB port, 3 power socket that you can plug in all your devices, and it comes with a 2 meter cable to plug into your power outlet. So here it is. It's Bavin. The brand is Bavin. Model number SC3604. So it mentions it auto IDs. It means it auto identifies the power rated needed by your devices. So you can plug in directly your USB cable, and the other end of your USB cable, your devices, tablets, iPhones, Android devices, or even USB powered devices. So here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like, just put it in a comment. What are the things that we need to improve on? So once again, this is Bavin 6 USB 3 power socket device. Till next time, bye bye.